Wow. Dude. Come on. Nope. Yes. Woo. Dude, that is a big largemouth. I was just talking to myself earlier how I have not caught a largemouth out of this lake in forever. And look at this, guys. Holy crap. That is a big fish. All right. He exploded on that bait. Exploded. Ugh. Hopefully you guys are getting this. But look at that, guys. That is a tank. We're gonna get him on the board. This is a cull from yesterday. I have a lot of 12s on the board, fishing quite a few tournaments this month since I took the time off to fish tournaments. And yeah, I would say this was much needed. At least, let's see, get myself beached here. All right, so you're gonna be get my phone positioned right. So he is a 17.25 largemouth, guys. Yeah, he's not happy, and he just went underneath my seat. All right. Once again, check that fish out. Get him back in the water. All right.